Hi, I'm here with the HX220L. We're going to look at serviceability today and some of the features that gives it its great serviceability. Behind this door, we have our ground level access to the AC filter, which is nice. Also has a splash guard here, so when your technician or whoever's pressure washing the machine, it protects the filter from getting debris and extra water on it. Behind this door, moving on over, we have a two-stage air cleaner with a pre-cleaner on top. We have battery disconnect. We have our pattern change valve, which is located over in here to change between ISO and SAE controls. I'll talk about that more when I get in the cab. Also have easy access to your relays and fuses as well. Swing this door open, you'll see that we have aluminum open core coolers, which is great for corrosion resistance. Radiator, hydraulic oil cooler, fuel cooler, and our condenser, as well as our after cooler treatment on top. Batteries are conveniently located right here. Have your windshield washer tank here, and your overflow for your radiator right above it. So that's nice and convenient inside this compartment as well. Now let's work our way to this side of the machine. Take a look at our pump compartment and some of the serviceability located on this side. Here you'll notice we have a standard accumulator, which is nice. If the machine fails, you need to let the boom down, you can do so. Also, if you want to change hoses to change attachments out, you can go key on and work your joysticks and relieve the pressure out there on the end of the auxiliaries, which makes it a lot easier to change the hoses. Also, less contamination on the ground. We have Kawasaki pump. All the pumps have Parker test ports on them that are sealed, so it's easy to tie a gauge in there and check pressure as well as flow. All the other consumables, fuel filter, water separator, are easy to get to. Also, engine oil filter right here in the front, so that's remote mounted and makes it convenient for changing the engine oil. Up on top, you can see that we have our SCR, which is our selective catalyst reduction. It's also equipped with a DOC on the other side. That way you don't have to fool with any DPF or getting up to a certain temperature to burn off in order to meet emissions. You'll also notice that we have a ground level sight glass for hydraulic oil fill here, which is very nice when adding oil to the machine. Working our way on around, you'll see that we got nice high handrails to get up on top of the machine. And I'm just going to swing around here, come up on top. One thing I'm going to point out is our depth field is actually located right here. Behind this door also locks. So you have a little LED light right here on the top that prevents you from overfill in case it were to freeze, because DEF will freeze, and keeps you from damaging your tank. I want to point out Hyundai's proprietary grip pattern on our steps here, which is a nice anti-slip surface. The leading accident causer on job sites is people falling from machines. You'll also notice we got nice high handrails here to keep hold of as you're coming up to the machine to access the engine. You have removable panels here to access different parts of the hydraulic circuit or system, such as the control valve and swing motor. Here you got a nice large opening, easy access to your dipstick to check your engine oil, also your engine oil fill port, and also your radiator here to add coolant, and also easy access to your SCR and your DOC that I mentioned earlier. And don't forget, Hyundai's got one of the best warranties in the industry. 3-year, 3,000 hour standard warranty and a 5-year, 10,000 hour structural warranty. Also 5 years free HiMate, which is our telematics. And this is what we call the Hyundai Edge.